more 11 electoral commission ya catch we you mistake after the number chinga we won say boy and seriously December 7th you never declare winner you declare who party bi ani Ghana can you wallahi party bi ani Ghana I can't
Ebusia enkopim se 7 December na ye de beto aba ne mra no na ensem bebre sisi wo Ghana de enyasem ketwa video bi trend wo media ne so pa gidigidi ni nyina ye se NDC fuo bi a omo Obuase ene threat pa na omo threaten eye EC any even Ghana included ni ene say omo si abato ni du wa wo beye no omo de be hia wo gidigidi pa
December 7th the electoral commission will declare one declare yani NDC for la fap easy the man warning
aha let's talk GH rumors and any first time I pop into my video make sure to subscribe and then mama no click the notification bell no say there any upload be about sabitimi aka na wa share ma fofra be share na wa like it don't forget say any comment be a won ubeja comment section or ede mama na a group of people be almost say any video now almost share NDC a t-shirts I almost say omo belonging to the NDC party any omo the message ama EC any Ghana ahead of 2024 general election no intimra
yes now I say Asante region NDC youth and Asia Obuase branch NDC youth any generation ya boy home for election 2024 and you said December 7th the electoral commission will declare one declare yani NDC for la fap easy the man warning no man out one away our boy yani boy and so no yani enya wo wasamadu ye pie ya kra ofie ana ya pie aba no ye pie ya kra ofie eti ya say ya kwori abo ya mbo mo bia mbuse edu nemo unyoma na wote wona wo ye no obi aba declare aba no ofie we police no so jeng na ntime mbo ya boy and seriously more 11 electoral commission ya catch we you mistake after the number chinga we won say boy and seriously December 7th you never declare winner you declare who party bi ani Ghana can you wallahi party bi ani Ghana I can't see yes no bia akunya ya fawie Akuffo Dampare mbone ba umia nyina wala amayira omuye chikira amayira akunya ya fa Obuase NDC you mistake 2024 December 7th Midonyame NDC afawie mupo yene abapawa ye jino sisi ani opawa NDC youth Obuase branch atata yani yakasano obare yedada ko se tema hodi no Midonyame yamfa ya hu nchewo se odi agro wa Midonyame motibeti na adwen se obedwa na fu adwen se obedwa na fu play o play no bebe na gina ya gina wo nya kwa ngura play no ya beto o mina nsa na wakọ easy 7 December odi agro ya de boba na be chesi bullet Midonyame ya de boba na be chesi bullet no last no yes so be do agro be do no
ya de kan say omo a wodi wani ato omo so
Ebusia eye enkofo no ne akotie omanu asem aba no these people a group of people belonging to NDC according to them omo wo Obuase omo so omo Obuase youth enti na eni bremu ana omo de sende eye warning ni bae na after say video we beto social media na ene enkofo bebre e kan ho sempa because ayem hihye abato ya ade bia edu wa ya na entokwa ne nyoma metiu maka obi koso eti so obi be kan asem bi say ya na de ayem hihye aba enti ene media no so de na obi astro and after so people were calling on the Ghana Police Service so be acting on it ene finally Ghana Police aba omukase se see there's a group of people no omo hihye omo gidigidi pa ene omo disika nyina atiso na statement Ghana Police de buy no ene police update 20,000 Ghana cedis bounty placed on individuals from Obuase seen in viral video threatening violence during the 2024 general election. So the Ghana Police Service is still on manhunt for the individuals from Obuase who were declared wanted on 15th November 2024 for threatening violence during the upcoming 2024 general election. Let's just say on the 15th of November this month here, and Ghana police declare sankofo ni nyina wanted say omo be say omo chi omo no be face emra for say omo threaten say edu abatwo na omo be ba be gidigidi bi e wo honom na ene ukoma osem the suspects including Fuseni Yahuza, Bernard Ahedo, Simon Basit, Musa Yakubu alias Eja Musa, and their accomplices have been on the run since the incident, and the police have been pursuing them. Not just say after say omako jina ho ka omo nsem nyina wie ye na ene rute omedwane obia peni be bia fanti se siade police hwehwe omo kire say public no wa wo behu no behu any member of this group no obefre police ne na eja sikeye da so 20,000 Ghana cedis ebetimi ayewodia. So the police are therefore appealing to the public to support the ongoing operation in search of the suspects by providing information that could lead to their arrest. A reward of 20,000 Ghana cedis is being offered for any person who provides credible information leading to the arrest of the suspects. Anyone with credible information may contact the police through a dedicated phone number. So the number is 0547927272. And he just said, "Winning baby uncle for you now win your hints and ask more information there. You can call the number now the Ama police phone." So we urge the general public to remain calm since the police are committed to ensuring that we live in peaceful, secure, and orderly communities. Not just a Ghana police, there's a sea, there's sanko fuko wedi. Omenia bria omo hwehwe omo to come and face justice because untimi mekasa keke abatwa ya de bi edu ho no ma aya na ewiase ayehu dada because what why na we yam hwehwe nti se obi ba na obethretin eye peace kakra na ewo man ni mu ana kyese ewo se omutumi efesi law no na meka wo se any comment bi awo no ubeja ewo comment section ho de amame after say police do statements by no any video ni circulating any some individuals show omadwen kire acho omadwen ewo sa video we any police statement ni enyina ho na user bakwa ni din Ernesto Osem. So Ernesto Osem, my brothers, don't fight for politicians. End of days damns you and suffer in jail, and politicians' sons and daughters enjoying in Europe. Naturally say oma yi manim say mo de mo kokwa ma party B party A no or say enkokuma politicians so mo de mo ma ko Europe. At the end of the day una be ko jail no mo ma enjoy. And another user Nidide Baba Jama or say they should declare Wuntimi wanted because he also treats Kofi Boachi DCO. Now say this one opposite say Ghana police was so mutimi kochi chama Wuntimi because on several occasions and I was threatening Kofi Boachi and any debia okojina baby any or can ho asempa nti o pa kire say declare chama Wuntimi wanted there na is nkofo we na ye declare mo wanted na is questionable kakra. Another user nidinde I'll be very rich or say IGP be fast and it say no or prompt IGP say who be hia so obechi sankofukwe said the police for ebuso omo ye na and most TV so say this is a sign of a lawless country. This threatening video cannot happen in any serious country. Not just say most TV the na or training and say Ghana hanum say I say kamia koye say ye law no sheki kakra because country bi emraye adwuma bi ni ho a ade we ebetimi esi ebusia na kire se de ekoso no sisi Ghana police de abeto 20,000 Ghana cedis enti no uhu beebi ankofo yi wa na unya hint bia obetimi afre na ene award no na reward no aba abeye wodi amedi mani edi ansem nachi any updates bi ebe free wa bebia me de beba besumo na me ka so wo be share ama afoforo aba be hwe me din e de na na eku asonto a makram